Apple has made some huge strides with the sound quality on the AirPods Pro 2, adding in new drivers, amplifiers, and massively upgraded active noise cancelling, and the effect is pretty startling. Having used the AirPods Pro for a number of years, it's clear that the audio quality is much richer than before, with bass in particular so much more vibrant. The rest of the soundscape feels wide and expensive, but rich is the best adjective we can use when listening to this new AirPods Pro 2. While it's sad that they don't support lossless audio, despite multiple rumors to the contrary in the build-up, the overall sound quality when watching video or listening to Apple Music in our testing was a stark difference from the previous model. The other impressive thing was the aforementioned noise cancelling. While it remains very good on the original AirPods Pro, it's been overtaken by other rivals in the 3 years since launch. But thanks to the H2 chip on board, now you can barely hear things you don't want to when ANC is turned on. The effect is genuinely startling. If you are listening to music while someone is speaking to you, usually you would hear some part of the conversation, but now they are practically inaudible. When testing with simulated airplane sounds, they were completely impossible to hear. It makes the music so much more immersive, and Apple's claim that it's managed to make the noise cancelling twice as effective as before are entirely believable. There have also been improvements to transparency mode where you can hear the outside world when long pressing on one of the stalks during use. Voice processing happens so much more naturally now, with it's possible to hold a conversation without even realizing you are wearing Apple's new earbud. Although you might seem tremendously rich, this is a feature that a number of brands are adding in now, with Sony doing something similar automatically with its over-ear headphones, but it certainly works here. Apple is also claiming that thanks to the H2 chip, it can offer adaptive transparency automatically, so if you are using transparency when walking down the road and the vehicle with a siren goes past, the AirPods Pro will automatically tune down the sound without getting rid of it completely. This was a surprising addition that Apple has brought based on user convenience. It's not something we saw coming, but if you like to flaunt your AirPods Pro or want to wear the case around your neck, here you go. When we first saw it, we expected that it would be used as a base for a hearing aid, acting as a microphone for listening to conversation more easily. But that's not yet the case, as there's no microphone on board. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share it to friends and keep watching Review Arena to get your top-notch day-to-day commodities reviewed.